Yo, welcome back to the channel, DaHomie Beats. We're gonna start cooking up again. I don't got anything right now, so I'm just gonna start from scratch. I don't know if I'm gonna look through loops or what, but we'll see. We're just gonna go for it and see what we can make. I got nothing in mind. So that's the end of this episode, episode 17. Called this one White Walls. Had a pretty good chorus, I think, going to that. Got pretty into it, but yeah, this is another one that we got through. It sounded very similar to the other one, the previous one, so that's why I switched it up a little bit. I was like, man, it sounds a little too much, but you know, we did it. So yeah, thank you guys for watching again. Episode 17, we go on to the next one. Peace.